There are lots of things that can make you sneeze. Some pepper, a cold, or allergies. But no matter the reason, everyone agrees that when you sneeze, cover it, please. Sneezing can make germs fly through the air and land on whomever is standing there. Then they might get sick, and that isn't fair. So cover your sneeze to show that you care. But how do I cover my sneeze, you may say? With my foot? With my cat? With my mom's cheese souffle? Well, don't you worry. We'll tell you the way to cover that sneeze so the germs won't stray. Some people cover a sneeze with their hand. It's better than nothing, but they don't understand that the next thing they touch gets their germs on it. And that's not exactly what they had planned. A tissue will do. A handkerchief, too. But if those aren't around, here's what you do. Cover your sneeze with your arm. Then those germs won't get away from you. Bless you.
Thank you.
No, thank you.